an important problem from probability distribution, and the problem is three concentric circle of radii 1 by root 3, 1 and root 3 feet are drawn on a target board. Okay, we first drawn three concentric circle. This is the first, whose radius is 1 by root 3 feet, and this is the second, whose radius is 1 feet, and this is the last, whose radius is root 3. Okay, this is the center, this is O, this is root 3, sorry, 1 by root 3, and this is 1, and this is root 3. Three concentric circle, and this is the target board. If a sword falls within the innermost circle, 3 points are scored. Okay, if sword is in the innermost circle, then we get 3 points. This is the score. If it falls within the next two rings, score respectively 2 and 1. Okay, and the score is 0 if the shot is outside the outermost circle. If the probability density of the distribution of the hit from the center of the target is 2 by pi into 1 by 1 plus r square, find the probability distribution of the score. Okay, so we have to find the probability distribution of the score. Here the probability distribution of the distance from the center to the target board or center to the hitting point is given, which is given by this. Okay, and if at any point, if we hit at that point, and if it is R, this is OP, OP is R, here OP, this is equal to R, and this is a random variable. And given that the distribution of this R is given by 2 by pi into 1 by 1 plus r square, and clearly this distance is continuous, and we write this is f of r, this is the PDF, this is given by 2 by pi into 1 by 1 plus r square. Okay, for all value of r it is given. There is no change in different range. Okay, so we write here this is 0 less r less infinity. Right, now we have to find the probability distribution of the score. Let capital X, this is the score, and capital X is a discrete random variable. Why it is discrete random variable? Since it is given that the score are 3, 2, 1 and 0. 4 score are given, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So we write spectrum of capital X is S. Spectrum generally denoted by S is given by 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now we see first, what do you mean by probability distribution? Probability distribution of a random variable capital X means we have to give its spectrum together with its PDF or PMF, which is fx obviously, and according to X is continuous. If it is continuous, then we have to give PDF, and if it is discrete, then we have to give its PMF. Okay, this is the probability distribution. So first part we already gave here, this is the spectrum of the random variable. Okay, now we have to find the PMF. So the definition of PMF, now PMF of capital X is given by fx, which is probability of x equal to x. Now we first find f of 3, which is given by p of x equal to 3. When score is 3, score is 3 if the shot falls within the innermost circle. So innermost circle, the radius is 0 to 1 by root 3. So we have to integrate. This is r equal to 0 to 1 by root 3, and this is fr dr. Okay, because fr is given by this. This is the PDF of the distance from the center, and which is given by integration 0 to 1 by root 3. This is 2 by pi into 1 by 1 plus r square dr, and which is given by 2 by pi into tan inverse r, and the ranges is 0 to 1 by root 3. So 2 by pi into tan inverse 1 by root 3 minus tan inverse 0, this means 0. So we get 2 by pi into, this is pi by 6. This is tan inverse 1 by root 3. So we get, this is 1/3. Okay, and f of 2 is p of x equal to 2, and clearly here range is r equal to 1 by root 3 to 1, because in the next range. Okay, this is 1 by root 3, this is 1, and fr dr. Clearly the integration is same other than this range. So we write directly 2 by pi tan inverse r, this is 1 by root 3 to 1, which is given by 2 by pi, this is pi by 4 minus pi by 6, and this is given by 2 by pi into pi into, this is given by 12 LCM, and this is given by 3 minus, this is given by 2. So clearly pi cancel out, so this is 1 by 6. Okay, and f of 1 is p of x equal to 1, which is integration, this is 1 to root 3, 1 to root 3 fr dr, and we directly put the result. This is 2 by pi into, if we put root 3, then we get pi by 3 minus pi by 4, and clearly this is 2 by, this is 12, this is also 1 by 6, and now f of 0, this means probability of x equal to 0, and the range here is root 3 to infinity, because outside the outermost circle, so from root 3 to infinity, and this is fr dr, and clearly this is 2 by pi, and the range is infinity, upper range, that is tan inverse infinity, so pi by 2 minus tan inverse root 3, so pi by 3 here. Okay, so we get the result, this is 2 by pi into pi by 6, and this gives 1/3. Okay, so if we write this PMF in compact form, we can write, this is f of 0, this is 1/3, this f of 1, this is 1 by 6, f of 2, this is also 1 by 6, and f of 3, sorry, here we write, this is f of 3, this is 1 by 3. Okay, this is the PMF of the score, and this is the spectrum. So this is the probability distribution of the score. Okay, very important type of problem from probability distribution. Thank you for watching.